As you may know, the IC shortage has had a significant impact on various industries, from automotive to electronics, and it is important to understand the underlying causes to find solutions. The first factor that contributed to the global IC shortage is the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic disrupted global supply chains, leading to factory shutdowns, labor shortages, and transportation delays. This resulted in a reduction of IC production capacity and an increase in the demand for electronic devices that relied on ICs for connectivity and automation. As more people shifted to remote work and entertainment, the demand for electronic devices skyrocketed, putting additional strain on the already limited IC supply. The second factor is increased demand for electronic devices. The pandemic has led to an increased demand for electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, and gaming consoles as people shifted to remote work and entertainment. This surge in demand placed additional strain on the already limited IC supply. The demand for these devices is not only high, but it's also worldwide, which means the demand for ICs has increased globally. The third factor is trade restrictions and geopolitical tensions. The United States government imposed sanctions and restrictions on Chinese technology companies, leading to a disruption in the global semiconductor supply chain. In addition, geopolitical tensions between China and Taiwan, a major producer of semiconductors, have further complicated the situation. These tensions have led to supply chain disruptions, which have resulted in an increase of the price of ICs. The fourth factor is natural disasters. Natural disasters such as the severe winter storms in Texas and the earthquake in Japan have also disrupted semiconductor manufacturing facilities and led to production delays. These natural disasters have caused severe damage to the infrastructure required for production of ICs, leading to further disruptions in the global IC supply chain. In conclusion, the global IC shortage is a complex issue that has been caused by a combination of factors, including the COVID-19 pandemic, increased demand for electronic devices, trade restrictions and geopolitical tensions, and natural disasters. The shortage has had a significant impact on various industries, and it is important to find solutions to mitigate its effects. Governments and industries must work together to increase IC production capacity, diversify supply chains, and invest in research and development to create more resilient supply chains in the future.